Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix sound on any Android phone. So if you want to fix this problem, it's very easy, so please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is just open the settings page on your phone like this. Now on this page, as you can see, we'll find many options, but all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the system option on your settings. Now after you click on system, right here you will find some options, but all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the reset option and click on reset all settings, and then click on reset all settings. Go back and click on software update and make sure to choose the new version and update your phone, and then go back. And now all what you have to do is just go to the sounds page, so you can manage the sounds from here, and make sure also that the do not disturb mode is off and the silent mode is off. And then all what you have to do is you can manage the ringtone from here. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.